2, 1.
Today you heard we were at our mom and dad are at a meeting, and our dad is out of town. So we've been discussing about school, our theme today, this month. And today we're gonna show you a little about Sweetie. Wait, Sweetie? Wait, Sweetie? Yeah, that's our pet. Very good. Okay, our grandma's babysitting us, like you said, to show the face.
Grandma's face.
Is she so pleasant or not? Okay, she is. Since now Brandon, our other contestant, talked most of the stuff I was going to talk to you about, but I was going to talk to you about my drawings. Go get my drawings, Brandon. I think that you would like them. I'm a very good, talented artist. And, well, we don't need to be talking about that. My picture's here. See, it's jungle picture. Well, I predict today it might be tomorrow, next week, in Orlando, will be raining. Like a thunder and lightning storm. And it'll be sunny in Jacksonville next week. But in Canada, it will be snowing. So, then we have it. Goodbye.
Thank you, CJ.
Okay, let's